Hello, salut, honneur. My name is Marie Fouché. I'm a retired New York City bilingual teacher. During my tenure in this field, I developed, translated, adapted, and created Haitian Kreyol materials for my classroom. From 1987 to 1995, we had a limited number of resources in Haitian Kreyol for students in the primary bilingual grades. In order to make my first second grade classroom attractive and create an enjoyable reading, writing, focused environment, I translated and adapted the books that grabbed the children's attention. These books had an easy, predictive, and repetitive language along with colorful illustrations. I have published several titles under my pen name, Marika. As I noticed what the children enjoyed and gravitated towards, it inspired me to use these books as springboards to adapt or innovate to provide them texts with cultural relevance. An example is Brown Bear, What Do You See? Became Cabrit Marron, Qui ça où est? Brown Bear, Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? Cabrit Noir, Qui ça entendait? And Cabrit Pays, Qui j'en déplacé is an innovative story. Throughout Marika's bookshelves series, I will be reading a different book in each video. Aside from the books, I also had prepared posters to label the centers in the room, as well as basic learning charts in math, science, the alphabet, and numbers. As a Kreyol advocate, I published the compiled work of Jean-Claude Martineau and his record, Fleur d'Iseux, prepared with Guy Sansaric, a baptismal preparation for parents, and typed and compiled the pastoral biblical work of the teachers of the Pastoral College. I also collaborated with the Board of Education Publications, but particularly Premier Voyage Moi is a story of a student in my classroom. I developed these materials with the help of other bilingual teachers, colleagues, who acted as illustrators and editors. I want to thank them. Margaret Theodore, Carla Lorbourg, Lloydie Verdes, Yves-France Jérôme, Margaret Victor, René Desjans, and Léon Roumain. Thank you for your time, and see you in our next video where I will read the first book in the series. Until next time, Nawe.